Well, while Pakistan says that they're ready to work with Narendra Modi in this heated political season, Congress-Modi war has reached the White House now. Just days after the BJP chief Rajnath Singh urged the US to grant visa to Modi, 65 MPs have written a letter to the US president urging him to maintain their policy to deny Modi a visa. The move now causing a massive political furor.
He is seen as Congress's major threat as the BJP is vouching for its poll panel chief. Top Congress leaders have gone into a huddle to decide the party's blueprint for Battle 2014. As the Congress decides its strategy for 2014, its focus appears to be clear. And so does its senior leader's message to party men. Sources are telling Times Now that top Congress leader has conveyed that Modi could be an issue in the Lok Sabha polls. Meanwhile, 3 days after the BJP president openly batted for a US visa for Narendra Modi, back home, 65 MPs from 12 parties have taken the fight straight to the White House, writing to Obama and urging the US to retain its visa norms against Modi.
We asked certain questions from Barack Obama administration that why you have not given visa to our chief minister, elected chief minister for 10 years. And if you're going to give the visa, what conditions have changed in the last 10 years? Do you feel that Mr. Modi is now a clean person?
The fresh appeal made by the parliamentarians to the US president aimed to counter Rajnath's effort to get Modi a visa.
ये सवाल तो राजनाथ सिंह जी से पूछा जाना चाहिए कि एक पॉलिटिकल पार्टी के मेन अपोजिशन पार्टी के हेड होते हुए जा करके चिरौरी कर रहे हैं, हाथ जोड़ रहे हैं, भीख मांग रहे हैं अपने नेता के वीजा के लिए, तो ऐसे समय में हम लोगों ने पुरानी चिट्ठी को फिर से उनको फैक्स किया है.
But a fuming BJP has attacked the parliamentarians, questioning the propriety in Indian politicians dragging their fight with Modi to Washington.
Why do Indian parliamentarians, instead of clarifying the exact position in 2002, go before a foreign agency denigrating their own constitutional post holder who happens to be a chief minister of a state in India and not in Pakistan or Afghanistan?
His every action, every word is being closely monitored by the Congress, and with the BJP continuing to back its poster boy and the poll panel chief, Narendra Modi's battle for American visa has triggered a fresh political fight. Bureau Report, Times Now.